Hello, Jacek and Darius, the unchanged lineup of our channel. Welcome to the next episode. In today's episode, we're going to show you a 5-minute set plus breaks for tennis elbow. Like always, in respect of your time, our video has been divided into individual chapters. You can jump to a given chapter by using the hint or move the progress bar on YouTube, which is also divided and signed. If you are a new viewer of our channel, please be sure to check our channel's warning. I will leave the link to the video in the card above. Of course, remember that we are assuming that you have already been diagnosed, but if no, please be sure to contact your doctor to find out the cause of your pain. That's it for today. We hope you have practiced with me and you will find this set of exercises helpful. Remember, if you want to fix your tennis elbow, you have to be patient and consistent, and you have to progress from the basics exercises to the heavy, slow resistance. We invite you to check out our Facebook and Instagram. Wishing you a perfect day, no pain, lots of exercises. See you in the next one.